Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about conversion of 1 acre to square feet, square yard, guntas and cents. So we know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters, and we also know 1 feet is equal to 12 inch. So 12 into 2.54 centimeters, we will get 30.48 centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. So 1 feet is equal to 0.3048 meters. Next, we know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet and 1 gunta is equal to, we will have 11 yards into 11 yards. Suppose if we take as this is as 1 gunta, we will have total these boxes as 11 into 11, this side 11 and this side 11. So we will get 121 square yards, and this 1 gunta, which is also equal to 2.5 cents. Now we know that 1 gunta is equal to 121 square yards, which is 11 into 11. If we convert into feet, we will get 11 into 3, 33 into 33. We will get 1089 square feet, 1 gunta. If you want to convert this into square meters, we should have to multiply with, we know that 1 feet is equal to 0.3048 meters. So 0.3048 square, we will get 101.17 meter square. These are all the conversions of gunta. Now we will convert guntas into acres. We know 1 acre is equal to 40 guntas. Now first we will convert this into square yards, which is 40 into 11 into 11. If we multiply that, we will get 1 acre is equal to 4840 square yards, which means if you consider 1 acre, we will get, in this 1 acre is equal to, we will get 40 boxes of guntas. If you want to convert it into square yards, we will get 4840 boxes of square yards in 1 acre. Next, if you want to convert into square feet, we want to multiply with 40 into 33 into 33, which we will get equal to 43560 feet square. Means in 1 acre of area, we will get 43,560 square feet of boxes. If you want to convert this into meter square, we can convert this into 101.17. We will get 1 acre is equal to 4046.85 meter square. Now we know that 1 gunta is equal to 2.5 cents. So 1 acre is equal to 40 into 2.5 cents, which is equal to 100 cents. 1 acre is equal to. So these are the main conversions of acre. First, 1 acre is equal to 40 guntas. Next, if you want to convert into square yards, which is equal to 1 acre is equal to 4840 square yards. If you want to convert that into feet, which is nothing but 1 acre is equal to 43,560 square feet. If you want to convert into meter square, 1 acre is equal to 4046.85 meter square. If you want to convert that into cents, 1 acre is equal to 100 cents. These are the basic conversions of acre into different units. Now we also have one hectare is equal to 10,000 acres. 10,000, sorry, it is 10,000 meter square. Now we will convert this into acre. We know 1 acre is equal to 4046.85 meter square. So 1 hectare is equal to 10 to the power of 4 by 4046.85. If we do this, we will get 2.47 acres. So 1 hectare is equal to 2.47 acres. This is conversion of hectare into acres. So these are the basic conversions we can easily remember while converting acres into different units. Thank you for watching my video.